update your driver for all of the GPU if you have the Intel, AMD, Nvidia GeForce like that. I just show you this video with a complete guide, so just make sure to stick with this video till the end. So first, here is the AMD driver. Go onto the site. I will give you the link of the site in the descriptions, so just go there and download all of these files which I'm going to use into this video. So for the AMD, just click here onto this download button and download this auto detect AMD Radeon software. It will automatically download the latest driver for your GPU model. Now let's go for the Nvidia one. Next guys, now we are going to update our Nvidia GeForce driver. So I will also give you the link of the site in the descriptions of this video. So simply just go there, click here onto this download button and download the GeForce automatically driver update software, and it will guys automatically update the latest driver for your GPU model. So just after updating your GPU driver of Nvidia, let's go for the Intel user. So just for the Intel, you need to just go onto the Googles and just type here Intel auto driver installer and just click here onto the enter button. Now go for the first link here, which is the Intel driver at the support assistant. From this list, just click here onto this download button and download this software, and it will automatically detect the drivers for your Intel one. So just guys, after updating your driver on all of these GPU models, so just go for the next steps. So guys, now we are going to do the settings for our Fortnite settings of the config file. So just for this, press Windows plus R button and just this window will be pop up on your screen. You can also search it here into the Windows search bar and just press enter. This window will be pop up on your screen. Just type here percentage app data percentage, click OK. Now go for the app data sections, local, find out the Fortnite. Here is the Fortnite games. Go into save, and here is the crashes folder. Just go into this folder and delete out all of this crashes detail from here. And now go back into the save folder, go for the demo sections and also delete out all of these saved replay from your PC, because it is also caused the crashes in the Fortnite. Now go back into the saved folder, go for the log sections and delete out all of these files also from here. Now go back onto the local, go for the Epic Games launcher, saved. Here are the log sections, delete also all the details of the Epic launcher. Click skip for these two files. Just after deleting all of these logs of the Epic Games launcher, now just close out this window and now go for the directory where you have installed the Fortnite. So most of people install it onto the default location, which is the C drive, but I install it on my local disk F. So let's just go for the F drive, go into the Fortnite folder, Fortnite games binary Win64, and here is the main directory of the Fortnite. So first of all, go into the BattlEye one and just uninstall the BattlEye, because it is also cause a lot of crashes in the Fortnite sometimes. So just right click here onto the uninstall the BattlEye and run this as administrator. It will ask you to uninstalling the BattlEye, click yes, click OK, and it will uninstall the BattlEye from the Fortnite directory. Now right click here on the install BattlEye, run this same as the administrator, and will again install the BattlEye on your Fortnite. Now go back into the main directory again, go for the Fortnite, go to the properties, compatibility, and click here onto the run this program as compatible with the Windows 8. If you are using the Fortnite or playing the Fortnite onto the Windows 7 and you are getting this error, so just check mark here onto this button and just select here onto the run this as the Windows 8 compatible, and just check mark here onto the disable full screen optimization and also the run this as administrator. Click apply button and click OK. Do the same step for all of these 4 files one by one. So guys, for the sake of this video, I'm just skipping out this process, so just make sure to you do properly on your PC. So just after doing this, here is the last and the most important steps. A lot of people are getting crashes because they have the low-end PC and their CPU usage is 100%, and then they will get the application hanged or the application has been crashed, that type of error on their PC. So just for this simply fixing out it, you need to just download a software which will clean up your all the background stuff, or you can also guys do it into the Windows settings. Just click here on the Windows icon, go for the settings button and just go simply into the privacy tab. Scroll down and find out the background apps and just turn off all of these background apps from here. Now just close out it and just download this software, which is the Vice Game Booster. I will also give you the link of all of this software into my website, and I will give you the link of my website into descriptions of this video. So just you need to go here onto the download button and just simply download the software. Just after downloading this pack, now you need to just install it and just run this as administrator on your PC. Just right click onto the Vice Game Booster and run this as administrator. Here is the interface of the Voice Game Booster. It will ask you for the update, so you can just update it or you can just leave it out. Now just after updating it, before starting your game, before launching your Fortnite, you need to just simply click here on the optimize button and it will fix out your all of these issues and the background running application which is sucking your all the usage of your CPU, your RAM, your GPU. So it will delete or remove all of the softwares for temporary and don't use any type of the usage from your PC. So just after clicking on the optimize all button, just minimize it and it will running in your background here. Just after doing this, now you need to go into the Epic Games launcher and just follow out these steps. So guys, here our Epic's launcher has been launched. So simply go into the library sections. Go for the Fortnite, click here onto these 3 dots and just simply click here onto this verify button and it will verify your all of the Fortnite files. If some files are missing from your Fortnite directory, so it will automatically download it and just verify it. So just after doing it, now you need to just simply go into the setting tab, scroll down, way down here is the Fortnite sections. Click here on this button and click here onto the additional command line argument and just simply type here D3, D11 and just close out the Fortnite tab, go back into the main directory of the Epic's launcher and just simply launch out this game. And guys, all of these settings will 100% fix out you all of these crashes problem from your Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 4. So guys, make sure to tell me in the comment section and don't forget to guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. So guys, till the next video, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.